Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asatyam apratishthante jagadahuhu aniswaram अपरस्परा सम्भूतं किमन्यत् कामहेतुकम् ॐ realize that, accept the fact, and always remember that this entire universe is controlled by Sri Krishna Paramatma, and his will is always true. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall realize, I shall accept, I shall always remember that you are the one who is controlling this entire universe, and your will is always true. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 316th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopalas along with Balarama Krishna, they are all enjoying in Vrindavanam, they are all playing and singing. Gopalas saying that, మా పాలిటి బలకృష్ణులు భూపాలకులంచున్ ఎగిరి బొబ్బిలిడుచున్. Gopala saying that Balarama and Krishna, they are our kings. Like that, they are all saying Jai Balarama, Jai Krishna, like that. And they made one beautiful pallak with all the things that is available in forest. And they made Balarama Krishna sit in that pallak and all the Gopalas carrying that pallak. And not only that, Ramakrishna-dayo gopaha nanrutuhu yuyudhuhu. All the Gopalas along with Balarama Krishna, they decorated themselves with so many leaves and flowers and feathers, peacock feathers. And then they started doing dance. జలజాక్షుండును రాముడున్ నటనముల్ సల్పంగ గోపాలమూర్తులతో. While they are all playing and dancing like that, even Devatas also came down, Deva Gopala Rupinav, with so much of happiness. All the Devatas seeing Krishna's dance and they could not stop themselves. They came all the way down and they took Gopala's form and they closely watched Krishna's dance and they worshipped Krishna. Krishnasya nrutyataha kechit jaguhu kechit avadayan. Like that, when Krishna is dancing, some of the Gopalas are singing. Some of the Gopalas are playing so many different instruments. And some of the Gopalas are praising Krishna that Bhale, Bhale, Krishna, you are doing great. Like that, all the Gopalas, Balarama Krishna, enjoying, dancing, playing, singing, and Devatas also joined that. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 8th sloka. Asatyam apratishthante jagadahuranishwaram aparaspara sambhutam kimanyat kamahaitukam. Asatyam apratishthante jagadahuranishwaram aparaspara sambhutam kimanyat kamahetukam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.